Alright, and now we're down to part 4 of Tokyo Auto Salon for GR86 and BRZs. Now, huge shout out to AME, Automobile Engineering, JDM Wheels. Check out their website and check out their wheels. They're actually very good quality wheels also for the track. Now, first up, we have Beat Sonic with their GR86. Now, Beat Sonic has this tune amp that can enhance the stock speaker of your car. Check out their website to learn more. Now I got one word to describe this car. It's a Kevin Vo GR86. You can see the Vertex headlights, tail lights, trunk light, fork brake light. Also has the Voltex arrow front all around, but this is on carbon fiber. We can also see some Axis Parts carbon fiber accessories like the one Kevin Vo has, the carbon fiber on the fender duct, but this one has the carbon fiber accents on the front bumper. Tom's TWF04s on 18, HJ on 47 offset with some Yokohama V105s, 215 4018. Voltex kit always looking good. Side mount carbon fiber wing and titanium exhaust from Apex Eye. Up next on the GT Net booth, we have the C West Aero on 2 GR86. We have one in FRP and one in carbon. Now this one has the FRP with this paint match, and we can see there's a little bit different kind of style to it, that the middle portion comes up on the side of the grills. Now this kind of gives the 86 a more aggressive look with just the front lip. Other than that, good looking BBS wheels. See some big brake kit from Endless. The side skirt or side diffusers kind of look like the Max Orido ones where it comes up on the back. Now going to the rear end of the car, we'll see a trunk spoiler that has more aggressive, like comes out to the back. Some pretty interesting diffusers they have. HKS muffler. And the inside we'll see a Works Bell steering wheel with the SSTS, the steering switch relocation state. An AIM Technologies Solo 2DL lap timer on the center console and the custom GT Net bridge seats. Coming up next is their carbon fiber version of their Aero, and plus the 9mm over fenders, front and rear. And for this one, we have a carbon fiber Swan Neck GT wing and their carbon fiber trunk spoiler combination. Now for the next one is a GR86 Cup car on the Cellstar booth. Just a simple setup with the Cellstar drive recorder and other safety electronics. Good looking BBS IRAs with some Advix big brake kit. Another new aero would be the Vertex wide body, partnering with ECU Masters. This is the first time we'll be seeing this kit, and still a prototype, so you'll see some waves on the paint not being smooth, but Vertex just being Vertex, having this very aggressive look. This is the first time we're seeing their wide body, and we did see their narrow body Vertex kit 2 years ago, and now this wide body for this year. Good looking Valenti headlights, nice wheels, big brake kit from Project Mu. Now outside the hall we'll see a Tomica Nets Toyota from Hyogo livery on a GR86. At the Tom's booth we didn't see a GR86, but they did have some GR86 parts like these carbon fiber shift knobs. Now out here again on the Subaru booth we have the BRZ STI for the Super GT. Always a good looking car. Up next at Teknova Japan booth we have the Nexter Racing GR86 with the wide body Pandem kit. Another new aero is the aero kit from M Sports or Max Sports. Now they did have the diffusers for their narrow body, and now they have released their wide body. Now this one is a full replacement bumper, so it be both for GR86 and BRZ. Cool looking logo, flashing LEDs. This has a 50mm wide on the front fender and rear. Now the front bumper is a two-piece, the whole bumper itself and the front diffuser. This is currently dropped on some Blitz coilovers. Good looking SSR Formula Aero spoke, 18-inch with 10J -1 offset, wrapped in some Yokohama Advan Niova 235/40/18s. Now going to the rear, we have the M Sport GT wing in carbon fiber. Also they have the trunk spoiler in carbon fiber. And interesting flashing badge again. Now for the exhaust, this is also a original from M Sports. Up next is a demo car from Auto Service Kanki. This is the D-Speed Engage GR86. Now they rebuild engines at Auto Service Kanki. Good looking GR86 with the full Max Orido aero, some carbon fiber hood, Max Orido fender flares, wet sports wheels, and JBT big brake kit. Carbon fiber side mount wing from Voltex. I think this is the Type 2. And up next is the GT86, also from Auto Service Kanki. The D-Speed Engage MF Ghost inspired GT86. And that will be it for the part 4. Now subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified for the part 5. Again, if you ever visit in Tokyo and you want to rent a JDM car or have a drive-through, come visit Tokyo Extreme Drive. Either it's a drive-through or you want to rent a car, visit their website to learn more. And again, thank you guys for watching. 39G Japan is trying its best to get back on its feet, and we appreciate every time you spend on watching our videos. Please hit the thumbs up if you like this video and comment to react. And we'll be uploading more videos this year to make it up for last year. And guys, hit the notification bell and see you on the next one.